Hi, my name is Natasha Turner. I joined Brent Daniels' TTP program last year in October, so it's October 2019. Before that, I had been trying to do wholesaling on my own for about a month. I had never heard about wholesaling before that, really didn't know what it was. Um, but I went ahead and gave it a shot on my own when I heard about it at a seminar, and I just didn't really have the instruction or the step by step of how to follow through with everything that I needed to do. And the biggest thing actually was the motivation and accountability. Um, it was really difficult getting started on my own, not having someone cheering me on and encouraging me and saying, you can do it. Here's the next step you need to take. So after about a month of trying it on my own, I was like, I've never done this before, but it's worth it. I'm going to take on good debt, which was also new to me. And I got a 0% interest credit card and put the coaching on there. And within 3 months, I had the money to pay it off. And I had done some deals. And it's been about 8 months now, I guess. And I've done somewhere between $40,000 and $50,000 worth of deals. And I've got more in the pipeline that I'll be closing within the next week or two. Um, so I am absolutely convinced there's no way I could have stuck it out without Brent Daniels' encouragement and without his instruction. That was just so clear, so simple. And the thing that I liked about him best was that he gave away a ton of value for free. So I didn't feel like he was, just out to get me for my money or trying to take advantage of me in any way. Before I even signed up for the class, I listened to almost all of the podcasts. I went on to the YouTube channel, on the Wholesaling Inc. YouTube channel, and watched almost every video I could find on there, took tons of notes, and took action on them step by step. And those were the baby steps I took in that first month. But really joining the Wholesaling Inc. program through TTP and being part of the Facebook group and having the ability to be able to text Brent when I had questions is really what pushed me over the edge to be able to do deals and to close them and to have the confidence of what to say and what to do when I came up to a hurdle. And I just want to say thank you to the whole Wholesaling Inc. tribe. Thank you, Tom Kroll, for starting Wholesaling Inc. Thank you, Brent Daniels, for taking that leap to do, your Talk to People program and giving me the courage to just get on the phone and cold call people. Now that I've called thousands of phone numbers and talked to hundreds of people, I really have a new confidence in everyday life that I never thought I would have. And as confident as a female mom, business person that I never knew I could be. So thank you very much. And anyone out there who's thinking about joining the program, it's the way to go. I mean, it'll really give you a boost. And I really don't think you'll have any excuses for not being able to be successful if you join the program. And it will speed up your likelihood of success and most likely your deal size as well if you do go ahead and join. Do whatever it takes. Just take action today. You can do it. Where I'll be here cheering for you.